Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hikari Glutathione. Start by confirming your dose on the package and wash hands before handling capsules or powder. Take with a light meal to improve absorption and avoid taking with high vitamin C doses at the same time unless advised. Track any changes in skin tone or energy and stop use if you notice adverse effects. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Prepare Hikari Glutathione by measuring the exact dose recommended on the label and laying out any tools you need. If using powder, mix it into a cool beverage to preserve stability and swallow capsules with a full glass of water. Avoid hot liquids that may degrade the compound. Keep a daily log to notice patterns and ensure consistency. Always replace caps tightly and store the product securely. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading during routines because it is lightweight, glare-free, and holds thousands of titles for on-the-go learning. I find it handy while tracking supplement notes or reading product guides, and it charges quickly for travel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a regular time each day to take Hikari Glutathione so you form a habit and can monitor effects reliably. Pair supplementation with protein-rich meals containing sulfur amino acids like cysteine for synergistic support. Avoid mixing with unverified compounds and review interactions with your healthcare provider. If you miss a dose, skip it and resume the normal schedule rather than doubling the next dose. Track progress with photos or notes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.